Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I would like to share about financing, about home financing, home mortgage, and home loan, how you can get the best financing deal out there. Okay, of course, because there are so many banks, so depending on which situation are you in, you have to know which bank you should go to, all right, to get the best deal. Because of course, we are all in various kind of situation, so there is no one bank that's good for everyone. Okay, so what situation are you in, it will depend. So number one, I'll just share like a few examples of situation, and then hopefully you get a better idea. Okay, so number one, what type of income earner are you? Are you overseas income earner or local income earner? Why? Because of the risk appetite of certain banks. Certain banks may not accept overseas income earner. Okay, so of course for local they always prefer, because you're in Malaysia, your local income, you can catch them. They can catch you, sorry. Okay, so for example, as far as I know, Public Bank, Hong Leong Bank, Affin Bank, all of these are example of banks that do not accept overseas income earner. Why? Because of their risk appetite. Okay, but if you're a local income earner, you can go to most banks. Okay, and then number two, in terms of your income type, is it a fixed income, like salary, employee, or is it a hustle income, in which like commission based and like business selling things? So if it's a hustle income, okay, some banks do not accept hustle income profile at all. For example, MBSB Bank, they strictly want fixed income earner only. Okay, again because of their risk appetite. And then some banks will do accept this hustle income, but they only accept maybe 50% of it. Okay, some banks will accept 70 and 80%. So if you are mostly a hustle income earner, you should go to the bank that accept most of your income. Okay, all right. So that's element number two. Element number three is valuation. Okay, so some banks, of course, in order to buy property for completed ones, you need valuation, and then for valuation, different bank have different valuation. Okay, because they have different valuer. So you need to go to the bank which give you maximum valuation, so that you can get maximum financing. Okay, so of course, how do you know which bank? So first you go to the valuer, find out which valuer gives you the best valuation, and then you ask that best valuation valuer, which panel bank are you working with, and then you like work backwards. Okay, all right. From there you will know which bank is the best for you. And then in terms of aggressive buyer, okay, if you are like a crazy property investor, you'll buy one property every 3-4 months, 6 months, you buy one property, you may consider as aggressive buyer. Okay, so by certain bank, because again, due to risk appetite, bank may not want to accept aggressive buyer, but some banks, they don't care. As long as you do have the loan eligibility, you're able to get loan based on your income and your debt service ratio. Even though you just recently buy another property, they don't care, they just accept you. But some they do, like RHB, they do have this concept of aggressive buyer. So if you buy property quite close to each other, close interval to each other, then you may get lesser financing. Okay, but some banks, they don't care. And then in terms of foreigner or local, if you are a foreigner, it depends also. Some banks accept, some do not. Okay, all right. I think those are like the 5 examples of elements that you should be aware of, and then in order for you to know which bank is more suitable for your situation. Okay, there's no one bank fits all. It depends on which situation are you in. You need to know which bank is best for you. Okay, that's my sharing for today. So hope you get some value from this sharing. So my offer to you, if you would like to know, if you like to have access to insane banker that knows every bank, the pros and cons of each bank, that handles a lot of clients, I mean, go to our property group talk, okay? Because in our property group, we have 8,000 members, and our banker handles property purchase or mortgages for our 8,000 clients. So therefore, our mortgage team knows inside and out of banker trick and tips. So for various kind of situation, they know which banker is best for that situation. Okay, so if you like to have access to this network of bankers, do click on the description below, get in touch with me in WhatsApp or in website klhomesbykn.com, and then you'll be able to get access to our property group, and then of course our bulk purchase group, and then of course the network, the banker. All right, the network of extensive banker. Okay, so that's my sharing for today. Hope you get some value, and do click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.